Installation before 1930, we had a situation where there was no earth wires in housing. All you had was an active and a neutral, and this conduit is called cap and casing, and the cable is VIR, vulcanized impregnated rubber with cotton sheath. Okay, as you can see, there's only two wires, an active and a neutral. Right, it's fully enclosed in timber conduit and perfect, a great idea. Okay, until you wanted to change the light, and if you wanted to change that fitting, the heat generated from the globe burnt and made brittle the vulcanized impregnated rubber, and so you then had to replace all the insulation or all the wiring, because there's no slack in this. You can't drag some more through, cut it off and do it. So that was the only thing. If it had been there for 20, 30, 40, 50 years, you don't change the light fitting. You can change the globe, no problems. You've got a rewiring job if you change the light fitting. And we've got the old 2 metre installation here, the power and the lighting. And we've got the fuses and the old brass topped switches, and that's an old installation there.